2024 wasn't just about blockbuster movies and lavish weddings. This year also saw some of the most shocking celebrity breakups, leaving fans heartbroken. From Malaika Arora and Arjun Kapoor to Hardik Pandya and Natasha Stankovic, let's take a look back at the couples who called it quits this year. One of the most talked about splits was that of Malaika Arora and Arjun Kapoor. The two had been together for nearly 6 years, sharing their lives openly with their fans. But in October 2024, Arjun Kapoor confirmed he was single. A cryptic post from Malaika in early November further fueled speculation about their separation. While the breakup was never publicly confirmed, it became clear when Malaika deleted their photos from her social media. Despite the split, Arjun stayed by Malaika's side during a tough time when her father passed away in September. This emotional support showed that even in the face of their breakup, they shared mutual respect and care. Cricketer Hardik Pandya and actor model Natasha also ended their marriage after 4 years. In July 2024, they both announced their separation in a heartfelt social media post. Natasha wrote, and I quote, "After 4 years together, Hardik and I have decided to mutually part ways. We tried our best, but we believe this is what's best for both of us." End quote. Despite the split, the two continue to co parent their young son, Agastya, showing maturity and commitment towards their family. January 2024 brought the news of the end of Sania Mirza and Shoaib Malik's 14-year marriage. Rumors of their separation had been circulating for months, but it was Mirza's sister, Anam, who confirmed the news. A statement was issued explaining that the couple had been living separately for several months and their divorce had been finalized. The statement also requested privacy during this difficult time as the couple tried to navigate their personal lives under the public eye. In September 2024, Bollywood actress Urmila Matondkar made headlines when she announced her separation from her husband Mohsin Akhtar Mir. The couple had been married for 8 years before Urmila filed for divorce earlier in the year. While the reasons behind their separation were not publicly revealed, sources confirmed that the divorce wasn't mutual. The news was a shock to many who had admired the couple's private yet seemingly stable relationship. Tamil actor Jayam Ravi and his wife Aarti also ended their 15-year marriage in 2024. Jayam Ravi made the announcement on social media, revealing that the decision to separate was made after much thought. He wrote, and I quote, "Though painful, this decision is in the best interest of all involved." End quote. The couple, who shared two sons, Arav and Ayan, assured their fans that they would continue to co parent their children with love and care. In a shocking revelation in November 2024, legendary music composer A.R. Rahman and his wife Saira Banu announced their separation after 29 years of marriage. A joint statement issued by the legal team read, and I quote, "Despite their deep love for each other, emotional strain and persistent tensions led them to conclude that the gap between them had become insurmountable." End quote. Their separation came as a surprise to many given their long standing relationship and the couple's public persona as one of the most respected pairs in the entertainment industry. As we look back on these emotional separations, it's clear that even in the world of fame, relationships face the same struggles that everyday people go through. These breakups remind us that love, like everything else in life, can be fleeting. We'll have to wait and see what's next for these celebrities, but one thing is for sure, 2024 will go down as a year filled with heartache for many.